Here are 6 verbs to help you remember with easy tricks. Tashikameru sounds like touch, shake, and measure. Imagine checking carefully to make sure something is real. It means to confirm or verify. Mamoru sounds like a mama rules. Imagine a mama protecting you with love and care. It means to protect. Tsutaeru sounds like 2 tired birds. Picture 2 birds working hard to deliver a message you can actually use. It means to convey or communicate. Kangaeru sounds like I can gather, just like gathering your thoughts when you're thinking deeply. It means to think. Sodateru sounds like soda tears. Picture soda spilling and helping little plants grow, like raising something carefully. It means to raise or bring up. Taoreru sounds like tower. Think of a tall tower that suddenly falls over. It means to fall down. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.